Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life. It is now time to kick things into high gear in the appropriately named Katie Quiz Speed Round. In this round, we have 10 questions prepared for each team, but each team only has 60 seconds to answer as many of those questions as they can. 10 points is awarded for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers or passes in this round. All three teams will be competing under the category of science, but I will give you a more specific scientific category right before your clock starts. Albert-Gallatin, you are up first, and your scientific category is chemical elements. And your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Al is a symbol used in soda cans and foil.
Aluminum.
C is the symbol central to organic chemistry.
Carbon.
Hg is the symbol, a toxic metal that is liquid at room temperature.
Mercury.
Cr is a symbol added to iron to form stainless steel.
Chromium.
Au is the letters, precious metal worth about $5,000 per ounce.
Gold.
Cd is the symbol, a toxic metal once used in batteries with nickel.
Cadmium.
Rn is the symbol, the second most common cause of lung cancer.
Pass.
Bh is the symbol, named for a Danish physicist.
Bromine.
No. Os is the symbol, the densest element.
Osmium.
At is the symbol, the rarest element on Earth.
Actinium.
No. And that was your last question. That takes you up 70 points for getting 7 correct in that round. And that takes your score up to a very nice 335 points on the day. Nicely done, Albert-Gallatin High School. Up next is our team from Thomas Jefferson High School. And Thomas Jefferson, all of your scientific categories have to deal with scientists. We want to know who the scientist is after the clue, and your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Developed the theory of evolution and wrote on the origin of species.
Darwin.
Formulated the theory of relativity.
Albert Einstein.
Proposed the laws of motion and universal gravitation.
Newton.
Russian who created the periodic table and predicted undiscovered elements.
Pass.
Discovered the first widely used antibiotic, penicillin.
Salk.
No. Monk who worked with pea plants and established the laws of inheritance.
Mendel.
X-ray crystallographer who died of ovarian cancer after photo 51 was taken in her lab.
Franklin.
Developed the most widely used electronegativity scale and promoted taking vitamin C.
Pass.
Frenchman who discovered radioactivity while studying uranium salts. And time is up. With that, Thomas Jefferson, you were able to add 50 points to your score, getting 5 correct in that round, and that takes you up to a very nice 225 points. Finally up, we have our team from Hempfield Area High School. And Hempfield, all your questions are going to deal with space. And your 60-second clock begins in 3, 2, 1. Which is the only planet in our solar system not named after a god?
Earth.
Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, orbits what planet?
Jupiter.
What planet is orbited by a moon called Titan?
Saturn.
What are Schmidt and Galilean examples of?
Astronomers.
No. What is the more common name for the aurora borealis?
Northern Lights. Northern Lights.
What type of animal was first to be in orbit?
Monkey. Monkey. No, it was a dog.
Miranda, Titania, and Oberon are all moons orbiting what planet?
Neptune.
No. Outside of the sun, what is the closest star to Earth?
Alpha Centauri.
How many people have set foot on the moon?
17.
No. The extremely dense remnant left behind after a very massive star collapses. And time is up. With that, I need to say that you answered astronomers for the fourth question when we asked Schmidt and Galilean are examples of. We were looking for telescopes, but They were both astronomers, so the judges are going to accept that as a correct answer as well. And that means you got 6 correct in that round, adding 60 points to your score, taking you up to an even 300 on the day, keeping things here real close. Now, after the speed round, we never like to slow it down. So we're jumping right into Katie Quiz math time. In this round, we have 2 math-based questions for each team. We award 20 points for a correct answer in this round, and we deduct 20 points for any incorrect answers or passes given. No pens, papers, calculators, or any outside help is allowed in this round. And up first, we have our team from Albert-Gallatin High School. And here we go with your first math time question. Given the function shown, what is this?
Is it 4?
4 was a good guess, but 5 was the answer we were looking for on that one. Here's your next question. Solve the exponential equation shown.
To the 4th?
4 is correct. So you got one right, you got one wrong. Your score stays the same at a very nice 335 points. Up next is our team from Thomas Jefferson High School. Here is your first math time question. Which expression has the least value when x equals 1?
The log expression, the first one.
Yes, log x is correct. Nicely done. And what is the value of the imaginary expression shown?
7i.
7i is right. Love the quick math. You got both correct. That adds 40 points to your score and takes you up to 265 on the day. Very nicely done, Thomas Jefferson. Finally up, we have our team from Hempfield Area High School. This is your first math time question. What is the value of the imaginary expression shown?
-9.
-9 is correct. What is the complex conjugate of the number shown?
7 plus 3i.
7 plus 3i. Again, love the quick math. That is correct. You got both right, adding 40 points to your score, taking you just into the lead with 340 points on the board. Very nicely done, Hempfield Area High School. We have a close matchup, but we only have one more round to go to see who moves on to the semifinal round of the playoffs of this season of Katie Quiz. And we're going to do that next with some huge points up for grabs in the more or less round right after this.